Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to hide or show your liked videos to everyone on TikTok. The process is really easy. Let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open TikTok on your phone. As you can see on the screen, this is the homepage of TikTok. From the homepage, you'll have to go to your profile. So for that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you reach your profile, tap on the hamburger icon, that is the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. And from this menu, go to Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, under Account, you can see the second option, that is Privacy. Go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll down and under Interactions, you can see this option, Liked Videos. Press on it. You'll see this menu and here you can select between two options. If you want no one to see your liked videos, then you'll have to choose the Only Me option, which I've done now. Likewise, if you want everyone to see what videos you've liked, then you can tap on the small circle besides everyone. Now everyone on TikTok will be able to see what videos you've liked. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.